Ford recalls nearly 750,000 vehicles over camera, steering, and seatbelt defects. Ford Motor Company is recalling nearly 750,000 vehicles across the United States due to three separate safety issues involving rear-view cameras, steering columns, and seatbelts, according to notices filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA. Rear-view camera problem. The largest portion of the recall affects more than 290,000 vehicles with malfunctioning rear-view camera systems. The NHTSA says that the 360-degree camera display in certain Ford trucks may fail to show rear images properly under specific lighting conditions, making it difficult for drivers to see behind their vehicles and increasing the risk of collisions. The recall covers certain 2020 to 2022 Ford F-250 Super Duty, F-350 Super Duty, and F-450 Super Duty models. Ford dealers will update the image processing module software free of charge to fix the issue. This recall is listed as Ford Recall Number 25SA8 and NHTSA Number 25V686. It marks Ford's third camera-related recall in 2025. Earlier this year, the automaker recalled 1.1 million Ford and Lincoln vehicles in May and more than 200,000 in July over similar software issues that could cause camera images to malfunction when reversing. Steering column risk. Another recall affects 115,539 Ford Super Duty trucks due to a potential loss of steering control. The problem stems from the upper steering column shaft, which can detach from the rest of the steering column. If that happens, drivers could lose control of the vehicle, raising the risk of a crash, according to the NHTSA notice issued September 23. This recall also applies to 2020 to 2021 Ford F-250, F-350, and F-450 Super Duty models. Ford dealers will inspect and repair or replace the affected steering column parts at no cost to owners. Owner notification letters were mailed October 6, 2025, with a final repair expected by December 2025, when additional notices will be sent. This recall is identified as Ford number 25S94 and NHTSA number 25V626. Seatbelt cable failure. Ford also issued a recall for 333,778 vehicles due to a seatbelt cable corrosion problem. According to the NHTSA, the front seatbelt cables may corrode when exposed to water or road salt, potentially snapping and preventing the belt from restraining occupants during a crash. This defect could significantly increase the risk of injury. The recall impacts 2015 to 2017 Ford Mustang models. Dealers will inspect and replace the front seatbelt cables free of charge. Owners will receive notification letters in October, with a final repair solution expected in January 2026. This recall is filed under Ford number 25S92 and NHTSA number 25V614. What drivers should do? Ford owners affected by any of these recalls should contact Ford customer service at 1-866-436-7332 for more information. They can also reach out to the NHTSA Vehicle Safety Hotline at 1-888-327-4236, TTY 1-800-424-9133, or visit nhtsa.gov to check their vehicle's recall status. The recalls highlight Ford's ongoing challenges with vehicle software and component reliability as the company continues addressing safety concerns across its popular truck and car lines.